Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today is the last day for Resin Thursday on this season. The reason that I have to do it because I have a small apartment and like it has been a week since I don't put the air conditioner. Right now I have the fan in slow, so it will get out some of the fume over here. But I'm not supposed to be dealing with resin for now, for the winter time. And we're gonna start the paint by numbers on Thursday. Probably I'll add another day, but I don't know yet. So today we're gonna do something very simple. I mean, I find it simple. It's this trinket, okay? So I put some pearls in it, you know, for the sake of saving time in the video. By the way, before we start, thank you all for accompanying me on this one. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, welcome all new subscribers and subscribers. Please, everybody, please hit the like button and comment below. I like to see the comments. I like to see your opinion about things. I like to read it. Okay, so thank you and welcome again. So like I was saying, I already put the pearls on it. Okay, different color. I put it in a pattern, so you will see it at the end. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the fast cure. So hopefully in 4 hours will be hard enough for me to mold, because the apartment is a little cool. So we're gonna have that. So I'm gonna put these flakes over here along with the golden foil. It's gonna be for the top over here. The rest is gonna have a little bit of resin with a little bit of this gold, a little bit, because I don't want to sink. But before that, oh yeah. So I just wondering how much resin I'm gonna do, because I didn't measure and if I put water on it to dry these pearls, it's gonna be a pain in the neck. So I guess I'm gonna make 80 milliliters first and see what's going on, okay? And then I pour some over here for the top. Okay, so I'm gonna put my mask. I'm gonna mix the resin and we'll be right back. So I mix the resin. Take the mask out. I'm gonna put some over here. To mix it with this. I'm gonna mix it with this, because with this I can break down more there. So now let me get that. Always need one of this. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of It's cold in here, but I'm gonna pick it up with this spoon. But just a little bit, just something subtle. Sorry guys, but I have to move close to me so I can see the glitter. Yeah, something subtle, just like I wanted. Well, folks, I'm gonna leave it over there. I'll see you in 4 hours. Well, folks, it has been more than 4 hours because, like I told you, the apartment is cool. I haven't put the air conditioning due to, you know, lower cool temperature at night. So whatever was left over, I used this mold. This is from Temu. Let's start demolding. Look at how neat. A little bottle. This is good for the keychain. I can only do 2 of them. What is this? Anyway. Here's this one. That's neat. Now to the big item. Yeah, let's see. It's all because some of the stuff, oh my God, some of the stuff spill over. And I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna have to use some patience in here. Yeah, some spillover, that's okay. Well, let's see. This is weird. Oh man. Yeah, this is some of the stuff that spill over a little bit, and to get it out. I'm afraid that one of the thing is gonna come off. There's some bubbles. I created some bubble, but I can fix that. Woo. A lot of let me get this out of the way. Look, it's level. Look at how pretty it is. Okay. Look at how it is, how it turned out. That is so pretty. So pretty. Then I have to get some of this stuff out. Mira qué lindo. Look at this. I'm showing it. I'm recording. So here it is, folks. That's a pretty nice trinket with the pearls. I like it. There's some little bubbles, but I can fix that. We can fix that. It's okay. But this is a nice trinket box to put stuff on it. Here it is. Beautiful. Okay, thank you folks for watching. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and comment below. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.